Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing footage and making a sequence that matches resolution and frame rate so nothing is rescaled. Once done, open Lumetri scopes, waveform, parade, vector scope to monitor adjustments accurately. Make first corrections in Lumetri, set a neutral input LUT if needed, adjust white balance to remove color cast, then correct exposure and contrast to protect highlights and shadows. This establishes a clean baseline. Make sure to work with a calibrated monitor or known reference to keep your color decisions consistent. Now refine shots. Use color wheels to balance lift, gamma, and gain while watching scopes. Small moves go a long way. Then sculpt tone with curves, RGB for contrast, hue versus saturation to tame or boost selective hues, and luma versus saturation to avoid clipping. For multi-shot scenes, open comparison view and use shot match as a starting point, then nudge manually for skin tones and highlights. Once done, add tracked masks or secondary qualifiers for localized tweaks, so each shot reads consistently across the cut. Finish by adding a subtle creative LUT or adjustment layer for mood, then refine with vignette, sharpening, and film grain sparingly so skin stays natural. Make export choices that preserve grade. Convert to rec. 709 if needed, enable maximum render quality, and use 10-bit export when possible to reduce banding. If something goes wrong, check Lumetri scopes for clipping and use temporal noise or dithering to fix banding. Also verify color management settings and ensure timeline and export color spaces match.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.